So today we're going to learn about 5 ways to naturally shed weight, so stay tuned. Bethany with Nutritious and Delicious, where I customize meal plans to you guys. So today we're actually going to be talking about the top 5 ways to shed weight naturally. So at the end of this video, I'm actually going to be giving away a free extra weight loss guide for you to use. So stay tuned until the end. So my first weight loss tip is actually to intermittent fast. Now, this works best overnight, so you actually don't need to be fasting during the day. So what you actually do for this is you fast for 16 hours, so most of it you're going to actually be sleeping, and then 8 hours during the day you're actually going to have that time to eat. So an example of this is, say, eating at 11 a.m. and then finishing your dinner about 7 p.m. And then this is actually giving your body a chance to utilize all of the undigested food in your system, and it's actually going to sustain your energy levels. So tip number 2 is actually starting your morning off with hot water and lemon. So this is actually something that will stimulate your liver to kick into gear, and it's actually going to make the intermittent fasting do its job correctly, and it's going to push all the toxins out of your system and into your liver to return to waste. Tip number 3 is actually to start to include vegan protein powders, shakes into your morning part of your routine. So getting off the dairy, which actually causes for most adults mucus and digestive issues, is pretty key. So adding in protein with some almond milk is actually going to curb your appetite. It's going to give the liquid nutrients that you need for your muscles, and best of all, it usually tastes like chocolate, so it's pretty amazing. Tip number 4 is to don't fall into the Christmas food trap. You know, it's pretty predominant that, November, December, usually, people fall off the bandwagon of healthy eating. So many times around the holiday, we're tempted, we're eating the food that's brought into work, all the goodies around us, the parties we attend. So my suggestion is actually to keep some healthy snacks with you, usually in your car, kind of in your purse, whatever you're carrying around with you. Or eat a little bit before you go out, because trust me, you don't want to be gaining those 10 pounds around Christmas. So lastly, tip number 5 is keeping a food journal. So now this is actually super easy to do, and we actually do have our own app that you can utilize, and I actually can see from the other side of your app what you're doing, so I can actually keep you accountable. So if this is something that interests you, just give me a quick message. So now I actually have something special for you guys at the end here. If you're serious about losing a little bit of weight, click on this link in the video, and I will send you a free weight loss guide for you to keep. So yeah, and good health. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Talk to you next week. Bye for now.